Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we're going to dive into a comprehensive review of the myFICO app, covering all its features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using to manage your credit score and more. Whether you're looking to monitor your credit or just want to learn about what myFICO offers, stick around as we break it all down. The myFICO app gives you access to your credit scores and credit reports from all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This is a major benefit because it provides a more holistic view of your credit health, rather than relying on just one score. With this app, users can monitor their FICO scores, get alerts for any significant changes in their credit report, and even track their progress over time. Additionally, myFICO includes tools to help with understanding your credit, offering insights on what impacts your score, like credit utilization, payment history, and more. One of the standout features is its credit score simulator, which allows you to see how certain actions, such as paying off a credit card or applying for a loan, can impact your credit score. This can be really useful if you're working on improving your credit score. The app also provides access to detailed credit reports, helping you stay on top of your credit situation and spot any potential issues early on. However, there are a few drawbacks to the myFICO app. For one, it's not free. Unlike some other credit monitoring apps that offer basic services at no charge, myFICO requires a subscription, which can be a turnoff for users looking for a more affordable solution. Furthermore, while the app provides extensive credit score and report information, it can be overwhelming for those who are new to credit management or prefer simpler apps. Some users have also mentioned that the app's user interface could be improved, as it can feel a bit cluttered at times. In conclusion, myFICO is a powerful app for anyone who wants to stay informed about their credit score and reports, offering a range of features that can help you understand and improve your credit. It may not be the most user-friendly app out there, and the cost might be a barrier for some, but if you're serious about your credit, myFICO offers valuable insights that are hard to beat. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.